The High Precision Complexes Holding, part of the Rostec State Corporation, has fulfilled its final delivery of amphibious armored personnel carriers, BTR-MDM, with enhanced protection to Russia's Ministry of Defense under a one-year supply contract. Rostec confirmed the delivery in a statement to TASS. Under the terms of the agreement, High Precision Complexes committed to supplying BTR-MDM vehicles as part of the State Defense Order. The latest batch of vehicles has been dispatched to the Russian Ministry of Defense, meeting the stipulated contractual requirements. The carriers are equipped with additional protective kits, systems designed to reduce visibility, and top hemisphere protection measures, ensuring they align with the operational needs outlined in the agreement. The Russian BTR-MDM Rakushka stands as a versatile amphibious armored personnel carrier, designed primarily to support airborne forces. Developed by the Volgograd tractor plant and introduced into service in 2015, this vehicle represents an evolution of the BMD series, emphasizing mobility, modularity, and adaptability in modern combat scenarios. It's designed as a response to the Russian military's focus on rapid deployment units capable of operating in diverse terrains and under significant combat pressure. The BTR-MDM is built on the chassis of the BMD-4M infantry fighting vehicle, sharing its amphibious and airdrop capabilities while tailored for personnel and equipment transport. At its core, the vehicle is powered by a UTD-29 diesel engine, delivering 500 horsepower. This engine enables a maximum speed of 70 km per hour, 43 miles per hour, on roads and 10 km per hour, 6 miles per hour, in water, ensuring agility in both conventional and amphibious operations. Its operational range reaches up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles, providing significant autonomy in the field. Protection has been a key focus in the BTR-MDM's design. Its all-welded aluminum armor offers protection against small arms fire, shell fragments, and mines, while additional applique armor kits enhance survivability against heavier threats. The latest iterations include measures to reduce thermal and radar visibility, a critical adaptation for modern battlefield survivability. The protective suite also incorporates a spall liner, shielding personnel from shrapnel in the event of penetration. Internally, the BTR-MDM is configured to carry up to 13 personnel, including a crew of 2. The vehicle is equipped with a modernized navigation and communication system, ensuring seamless coordination during operations. The onboard systems include a GLONASS-based navigation platform integrated with secure communications, allowing commanders to maintain situational awareness in real time. The interior layout is designed for rapid ingress and egress, with large rear and side doors supplemented by roof hatches. Armament on the BTR-MDM is minimal compared to other armored vehicles in the Russian inventory, focusing instead on transport functionality. It is typically equipped with a PKT 7.62mm machine gun mounted on a remote-controlled weapon station, providing light defensive firepower. However, the modular nature of the vehicle allows for the integration of additional weaponry, such as Kornet anti-tank guided missiles, should operational requirements dictate. The BTR-MDM is also highly customizable in terms of mission-specific configurations. Variants include command and control vehicles, medical evacuation platforms, and cargo carriers. Each variant leverages the base vehicle's mobility and protection while incorporating specialized equipment. For instance, the command variant features advanced communication arrays and workstations for battlefield management, while the medical variant is outfitted with stretchers and life support systems. In recent years, upgrades to the BTR-MDM have focused on electronic warfare and counter-drone measures. Some models have been equipped with active protection systems, such as the Afghanet APS, to intercept incoming projectiles. Additionally, enhanced sensors and optics packages, including thermal imaging and night vision capabilities, have been integrated to improve performance in low visibility conditions. The BTR-MDM's amphibious capabilities remain a standout feature. It is capable of self-propelled waterborne operations without prior preparation, allowing it to cross rivers and lakes, integral to its role in airborne operations. The vehicle's hydrojets and watertight hull provide stable and reliable performance in aquatic environments, extending the operational reach of airborne and rapid reaction forces. Russia's Ministry of Defense has continued to procure upgraded BTR-MDM units as part of its state defense orders. Recent deliveries have included models equipped with improved top hemisphere protection, addressing vulnerabilities to drone and aerial attacks. These enhancements reflect the evolving requirements of the Russian military as it adapts to modern multi-domain warfare. In summary, the BTR-MDM Rakushka exemplifies the Russian military's emphasis on rapid deployment, adaptability, and modularity. Its combination of mobility, protection, and versatility makes it a critical asset for airborne units, capable of meeting the challenges of modern combat while remaining a flexible platform for future developments.